Now let me talk to you about the way we make our phones. Durability has always been at the heart of Nokia handsets. But how do we do it today? The answer is exactly the same. The same style of rigorous durability and quality tests that our feature phones became famous for are now applied to our smartphones. Defying the industry average, we have over 50 tests for hardware durability. In fact, Nokia phones are built for a life cycle of more than 3 years, which is above the typical replacement rate of an Android smartphone, because we want to build phones you can keep for longer. So today, in a world where people are looking for a phone that can go the distance, doesn't break the bank, and brings you peace of mind, we want to unveil 2 new series that will be joining the successful ultra-high value C series. Every time I hear Elvis's story, I'm absolutely blown away. What a brilliant example of the power of accessible technology. What an amazing achievement to set up an entire business from your phone. And that's what the C series is about. Just because you're paying less for a phone doesn't mean the experience should be less. Now, I'm absolutely thrilled to announce the all-new G series.
Scrambling for extra time and battery is on every mom's mind. Here's a sneak peek into 3 days of my life. Nokia phone's new G10 and G20 series with its 3-day battery life and with a 48 megapixel camera is launching soon, and I am super excited to show you snapshots of my life using their latest technology. So before the workday starts, I try to get my me time. The digital wellness app on the Nokia G10 is a great option that helps me set the mood for the day. While the house catches up on lost sleep, I like using this time to get out of the house and go for a run. I need to exercise to be able to give my best to the family and clear my head more often. Sitting together with family and eating breakfast is always fun. A typical Indian breakfast is a great way to kick off the weekend. Scrolling through the Nokia G10, I realized that its adaptive battery is an amazing feature. It adapts and shows my most used apps while shutting down unnecessary programs, giving me more battery. Your best ideas, those eureka moments that turn the world upside down, seldom come when you're rushing to meet the 5 p.m. deadline. For me, it's when I'm doing yoga, aligning my mind and body. Post-switch reading my newspaper quietly and catching up with the world is what I do over the weekend, but at my own pace. The Nokia G10 has been a good companion this weekend with its durable design and its amazing features. The weekend seems to have just flown by, and it's already time to start prepping for the week ahead. Time to get ready for the shoots, the podcast, and million other things that wait for me each week.
The new G series from a real-life powerhouse. The Nokia G10 and Nokia G20 are mid-range heroes. 3-day battery to get more done in your day without constantly hunting for a charging point, a big screen to chill with your kids and watch YouTube, and great cameras to capture life's precious moments, all wrapped in our signature Nordic design.
Hey guys, I'm Jack from Cabin Folk, adventurer, traveller and all-round cabin connoisseur. This right here is the brand new Nokia X20, and I'm super excited to be able to introduce you to it and tell you all about it. If you already follow me online, you probably know that I get really excited about nature. I just love it. And one of the cool features on this phone is the dual sight multicam mode, which allows me to record the reaction and the action at the same time. There's even the picture-in-picture mode where I can capture myself in the small frame and an ultra-wide-angle shot in landscape. This is perfect for when I'm doing my cabin tours to show my followers all the unique and quirky things that these cabins have to offer. It really does come in handy. As well as the action and reaction of the front and rear cameras, I now have the option to select different cameras for greater versatility, like 2 rear cameras, which means I can capture wide and ultra-wide pancake goodness. As much as I love being outdoors, sometimes it's great just to sit back, relax, and watch some wildlife on my phone instead. I mean, you're not going to find those elephants in the forest we've just been in anyway. So finally, let's talk about the battery life. We all know that when we're out exploring and having fun, we sometimes forget to charge our phone. But this phone has a 2-day battery life, which means that it's normally me that has to recharge before the phone. And on that note, I think it's time we wrap it up.
Thank you, Jack. I couldn't be more excited about our new X series offering lightning fast 5G to the market. Also, as part of our ongoing commitment to being a force for good for our users and our planet, we're removing the wall charger from the Nokia X20 and X10 sales box in the EU and replacing it with a 100% compostable case.